Learning MBSE, Model-Based Systems Engineering. Learning MBSE, in 4 days. Did you know MBSE reduces cost and improves productivity for manufacturers? What is MBSE? MBSE stands for Model-Based Systems Engineering. MBSE implemented using languages like SysML, and is a methodology that has achieved a great value over the past 10-15 years and continues to be refined and improved today. Industries that are affected by MBSE? There are several industries in this list that are greatly impacted by MBSE. The top industries are transportation and mobility, aerospace and defense, industrial equipment, energy and utilities, architecture and construction, life science, high-tech, marine and offshore, financial and business services, consumer goods and retail, natural resources, consumer packaged goods and retail. How does MBSE reduce cost? Over the past decade, manufacturers have sought innovative ways to reduce costs and increase quality and efficiency, as well as needing to adopt digital models to support design and development. What is MBSE goal? Why MBSE is needed? MBSE objectives. MBSE helps better communications with stakeholders and project teams. Improved quality, specification, cost estimates and productivity. Requirements issues early identification. Enhanced system design integrity. Fewer errors during integration and testing. More meticulous requirements traceability. Consistent documentation. Improved impact analysis of requirements changes. Existing models reuse. Auto-generated documentation. Learning MBSE. MBSE Training Crash Course by Tonex. MBSE Training Crash Course covers all the principles, theories, and techniques associated with model-based systems engineering, MBSE. Learn about MBSE techniques and tools, system model, system life cycle and solution development, systems engineering processes, requirements analysis, system physical solution description, synthesis, system logical solution, MBSE and design, MBSE definitions and advantages, many other. Learning MBSE in 4 days. Call at 1-972-665-9786 or visit tonex.com.